Hey, we're here at the RE Plus show in Las Vegas, one of the biggest solar shows in the world, and it's really great to be here because it's an opportunity for us to showcase some of our new innovations. And one of the things I'm most excited about is the cell manufacturing technology that we've been working on for over a decade. It's a basically dry electrode processing method to make lithium-ion cells. It eliminates the need for the toxic solvent that is used in traditional cell manufacturing. It reduces the footprint to a fraction of the size. We don't need to reclaim that toxic solvent. It's more environmentally friendly. It takes a lot less energy. It takes a lot less cost. So the really cool part about it is we've actually been able to apply it not just to any kind of lithium-ion cell, be it our traditional lithium iron phosphate cells or a NMC or lithium cobalt cell, but we figured out how to make an all solid state battery using this dry powder coating process. And that's important because that electrolyte is not flammable. So now we have a non-flammable storage battery, and we can't wait to be showcasing that next year. So the process is useful to make both anode and cathode electrodes. Once we have those, we can make them into any form factor, like a pouch cell. We can make them into any type of battery, any type of chemistry. Let's say a cell phone battery or an EV battery. Of course, we focus on deep cycle type batteries. We've just finished our pilot line in Reno, Nevada. We've announced recently that we were able to coat anode electrodes at scale. So it's just a really exciting time. We're going to be able to, by the end of the year, we expect to have full cells to be able to deliver to customers. But even more exciting, and we're not showcasing that here yet, but we figured out how to apply this process, this dry powder coating process, to make all solid state deep cycle batteries. And that's very unique to us because most solid state type batteries are focused on electric vehicles. We focused our solid state technology on non-flammable cells. And that's important because if you start talking about large stationary installations, the flammability is what causes the liability. So we expect that when we roll out our non-flammable storage cells, it's going to really change the game when it comes to large scale grid storage.